Because this Pizza Hut my house. Wow. Uy, boss, ang bilis. Ang bilis ng oras. Don't talk your mouth if you're full. Ano? Sabi, don't talk if your mouth is full. Tama ba ako? Lulsuras Baba, try go home in India. Her father miss you already. Hi Nasir! How are you, Nasir? Kasi natin napapa-comment siya sa mga post ko eh. Napapa-comment, Nasir. Thank you, Nobi, and you're welcome. Don't talk when you don't know what to say. Don't talk. You come leave me to my home. I can't see anything. I'm fine, Nobi, and you, and from Nasir. I'm fine too. Ayan, now I'm eating. Still. Ubos. Sores, your best friend Nasir is here and from Mangkukulam. Where? Tell me. Nasir. Ayan. Nasir, he's laughing. He's not there. Here he is. Ayan. I know it and from Sores. Nasir told Nobi Nasir miss you, Sores. Really, when he told. If I Nasir, he always watching my video sa Facebook. Dito hindi siya pupunta dito pag hindi ko sinabi. Bakit ba to? Yes, Suresh, he really miss you. I read in comment. Shark catfish now be sweet. Oh wait, when he come I'll talk. When Parata and from Nasir. I'm active Facebook. Oh, I'm active daw pala eh. You are active? Then that's why you always watching my video. He is here, Surasen. Open all chat. Okay, I'll see afterward. Mag-ano